Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, I'm one of the volunteers here, and I'd like to talk to you about slow cooking. It has many advantages, including being more economical, better nutrition and better time efficiency. Stay tuned and I'll go for a recipe with you. Today we are making sausage casserole. The ingredients are 8 sausages, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, 2 peppers, 2 carrots, 1 can of tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 chicken stock cube, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 100 millilitres of water, 1 tablespoon of oil and salt and pepper to taste. So we turn on the slow cooker, chop the peppers, carrots and onion, heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan and gently fry off the onions, peppers and carrots. Fry the carrots, peppers and onions gently for about 5 minutes and then transfer to the slow cooker. Using the same pan, fry the sausages again for about 5 minutes, just until they're gently brown. Once they're brown, add the rest of the ingredients. The sugar, the paprika and the thyme, the tinned tomato, the tablespoon of tomato puree, garlic, a chicken stock cube and 100 millilitres of water. Gently bring that to the boil. Once it's boiling, transfer to the slow cooker. And leave to cook 3 hours on high or 6 hours on low.